What's up, YouTube? So today we're trying to clean up a little bit since the weather's getting nice. We've had this parts Volvo here for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and rip this 13 speed out of it real quick, and then we're gonna haul this thing into the junkyard, get it out of here. Old Pinky putting in some work today. Can't wait till we replace that truck. But put it on the other side of the shop, and then I'll get the trans jack out and get the trans out of it real quick. I think we bought that truck for like $1,000 off one of our buddies. It was hard up for money and we just used it for parts. Should be coming around this way. Back it on in, there he is over there. Pull up, so get it straightened out. Hang on, I gotta pause this. I gotta open the door all the way. Alright, we got the door open all the way. Bring this one on in. Try to get this hauled in before 4 o'clock. I think we got to go pick up our new hotshot truck today. We just sold one of the dry van trailers. I got to do a set of brake shoes on that before he comes back and gets that. Guide him on in. Just junker up out of here. That's good. That's good. So we're gonna take all this stuff off before we junk it, but we'll hop up in there and get the trans jack out and get this 13 speed out of this thing. Drive shafts all out of it. It shouldn't be that bad. This old girl's gonna save us some money one more time. We got a truck that needs a muffler, so we're gonna. Muffler's pretty good, just a little rusty down here, but we're gonna try to beat this one off. See what we come up with. It'll look good on a Columbia. Alright, well, we're under here. We got the electrical disconnected. I got the air from the truck disconnected. We got the trans cooler lines removed. We got the clutch fork off over there with a bird's nest in it. We got the slave cylinder off right here hanging. We got the shift tower disconnected with the air lines cut. So I think we just have like 4 bell housing bolts. So we're gonna get this jack under here, get it positioned. Should put this phone on a tripod, it'd be a lot easier. Let me get this position and we'll start. Well, we got the safety strap on it. Getting the bolts out. Got the new Milwaukee impact we're trying out, 1/2 inch. get up there. I think I might have a new Harbor Freight swivel in the truck that I stopped and bought. Try that swivel. Oh yeah. No, that gun ain't no better. No, I did break it free. One more bolt. Down over there. I think that's it, right? Yep. Alright. Let's get that one again. Separate it and pull it out. Well, we got all the bolts out, it's separated, we just got to pull it back down. There it is. We probably lower it down some. It'll be so much easier if this phone's on a tripod. There we go. Lower it down again. Bring her on down. There it is. Now we got to drag this bastard out from under the truck. Pause this. Oh, we got it out, sitting on the transjig. An Eaton 13 speed was a good transmission. This truck just had a bad head gasket. You can never get it to run right. You try to put in a turbo, you can look at the surge tank, but old D12. So I guess we'll get her chained down and make a trip to the scrapyard. Well, we gotta take this trans off too, and these drive shafts, we're gonna keep those. Good thing the scrapyard's only a mile away. Alright, well, it's out of the shop. We changed the hooks on it. Secure it better. Put the tall hooks on it to grab it on the outside of the frame. And it'll make it easier to get off the junkyard with no wheels on it. So we'll go ahead and I'll follow them over there. Put this baby on the scale and we'll see what we get. Oh, I gotta pull the front tires off too when we get there. So stay tuned, folks. Well, we're here, we're getting ready to turn in. Made it a whole mile to the scrapyard, so I'll roll this across the scales and then I'll take the tires off it. That should be it. Another Volvo being scrapped. Turn off my lights. Gotta roll up on the scale now. Well, there's a change of plans, guys. This scrapyard no longer takes big trucks, so we're gonna have to go to Paul's about 5 miles from here and drop it at the big truck junkyard. So that's where we'll be heading next. Paul's Auto Salvage in Gary, Indiana. Well, we made it to Paul's. Pull in on the scale. If we can get it in one shot, we'll see. So we're all scaled. We gotta roll it out and go to the other side across the street, drop it over there and then scale out. So that's what we're doing right now. We got it all set down, sitting on a rim. He's gonna go scale out. Yep. Here he goes. About it for this video. He'll go cross the scale and then I gotta go pick up parts. Alright, up on the scale we go. We'll turn around and then we'll get paid. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video. I haven't done nothing in a while, so there'll be more coming this week.